Hey, this is Brent with Vintage Statements, and today we've got a 6-drawer tall boy that we're going to redo. We're going to use Dixie Belle products, so stay tuned as we turn this into something amazing. Alright, first off we're just going to remove the hardware, even these centerpieces, get it prepped and ready for paint. So, let's get these handles off. Alright, we've got all the hardware off. Now we're ready for our next step, which is just going to wipe it down. We're going to be using Dixie Belle mineral paint today. We're going to use the Fluff color. Since it's a chalk mineral paint, we don't need to sand this piece. It's already in good condition, so we'll just be adding the paint. We're also going to be using our Dixie Belle chip brush and our Dixie Belle Bella brush. As you can see, I've used them quite a bit and they still hold up really nice, so we'll keep using them. So next step, wipe it down, and then we can start painting this bad boy. Alright, we've put 2 layers of paint on, and now we're going to scuff it up with some sandpaper. So turn away if this is going to hurt your feelings, but we're going to scuff it up. Here we go. Okay, we've got our Dixie Belle clear coat flat that we're going to put on the whole piece, one coat, let it dry, get the handles on, and then we'll get some pictures of it being finished. So let's begin. We got our Dixie Belle brush, our chip brush style. Okay, here it is, completed 6-drawer dresser. We used Dixie Belle's Fluff White. We scuffed it up, and then we used their clear coat flat to finish this off. What an amazing piece. Can't wait to get this thing up for sale. If you like this piece and many of our others, subscribe to our channel. Like us on Facebook and Instagram, and we're always looking for those fun comments. Tell us what we can do better, or what we are doing good. So we'll see you for our next project, and our supervisors will be ready with the project later this week.